Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.